I am the Sea Otter. Drift with me on the ocean's tide and learn the art of effortless joy. I trust the sea will hold me as it does with all of life. Sea otters are tool users. They use rocks to crack open mussels, clams, and sea urchins. Sea otters spend most of their time floating on their backs while eating, grooming, or resting. Come watch how I navigate. Playfulness is my survival. The waves rock me like a cradle. Let life cradle you too. I know how to keep close what matters. Hold it gently on your heart. Come live each day in a vast sea of gratitude. Advice from a sea otter. Take time to play. Keep your whiskers clean. Cherish clean water. Be spontaneous. Stay active. Don't be afraid to get your feet wet. Be utterly amazing.